St. Mary's School is like a second family for my children. We really feel that our children are growing in a safe environment. They also are being taught how to simply be a good human being. I would definitely recommend St. Mary's School to another parent in a heartbeat. The experience we've had with them and continuing having is absolutely amazing. We love the staff, we love the teachers, we love the curriculum. There's really not a single negative thing that I can say about the school.
St. Mary's School is a place that lays a foundation for children to develop the desire to learn. It's for families who want a strong sense of community with loving and dedicated teachers and staff. What makes me passionate about St. Mary's School is the children. I love teaching. I love providing an environment where they could learn to grow, not just academically, but socially and emotionally.